Here's Adobe Photoshop, and the question is, why isn't the Ctrl and the 0 key zooming to fit? So Ctrl and 0 does nothing. It should zoom in the picture so it would fit the screen. If I use this one, that icon, the magnifying glass, fit to screen, that one is working and the picture is extended. Okay, we can zoom out a little bit using the right click also. If I use Ctrl and this 0, then it is working. Ctrl and 0, it is zooming to fit. But why is this 0 not working? Well, it's not working because this one is on the numeric keypad and NumLock has to be enabled. NumLock now is enabled. There is a small light. Now it's off. So it must be on. It must have that light there, and then Ctrl and 0, it's working. So when NumLock is disabled, let's zoom out a little bit. Ctrl 0 is not working. Enable the NumLock, it's even telling us that it's enabled. Ctrl and 0, it is working in Photoshop.